A healthy relationship is one that embodies understanding, trust, and love, and most importantly, partnership.
The ruling, a session on the grade based on the answers of the defendants to a series of questions to guide our judicial panel rule over the defendant's dating mindset.
Because if both parties are equally involved in the relationship, there won't be any issue. How do I show love to a woman? I feel the best way to show love to a woman is to respect her. Every woman wants to be heard, wants to be loved, wants to be cared for, and the best way to do this is to treat her with love and respect. My goal in life is not just to be successful. I want to leave a print on earth. I want to help a whole lot of people. Already I have a clothesline which I'm still building. I'm a musician, so my music is impacting knowledge to people, and basically, yeah, one of the greatest traits to emulate from my parents is respect. I'm Yoruba, so respect is so important to my people. So that's one thing I would love to emulate from them. The most important quality I look for in a woman is kindness. Not just kind to me, but people around. Yeah, I look forward to meeting a woman who is really kind. Yeah, knowing fully well that she's not a property to be owned. She can achieve anything she wants to achieve. But I really love kindness. I love a woman who is kind.